Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to use Roblox Support Ticket. So to use Support Ticket or Roblox Support Ticket system, follow these steps. So first, you need to visit the Roblox Support website. So just go ahead and open your browser and search for support.roblox.com. So once you've done that, log into your Roblox account. So click on the login button located at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your Roblox username and password to log into your account. Now, co- click on the Contact Us option. So once you are logged in, click on the Contact Us link or button. This will typically be found in the top menu or at the bottom of the page, depending on the website layout. Choose the relevant category. Select the category that best matches your issue or question. Roblox Support provides different categories such as account issues, billing, technical issues, and more. Click on the category that aligns with your concern. Next, select the appropriate subcategory. Once you've chosen the main category, a list of subcategories will appear. Choose the subcategory that most closely matches your specific issue. Fill out the support form. After selecting the subcategory, you will be directed to a support form. Fill out the form with accurate and detailed information about the issue you are facing. Include any relevant screenshots or evidence that can help the support team understand and address your concern effectively. Submit the support ticket. Double check all the information you've provided in the support form. Once you're sure everything is accurate, click on the Submit or Send button to submit your support ticket. Wait for a response. After submitting your support ticket, you will receive an automated confirmation email from Roblox. A member of the support team will review your ticket and respond to you as soon as possible. Response times may vary depending on the volume of tickets and the complexity of your issue. So note that it is important to be patient and avoid submitting multiple tickets for the same issue, as, thi- as this can slow down the support process. So by following these steps and providing clear and accurate information, you increase the chances of receiving prompt assistance from the Roblox support team regarding your issue or question. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!